Hey, Don here. We're at job number 2. Another one-car driveway that's got black. Hasn't been done in a while. Got a siding home here, which won't be too bad. Just needs a good cleaning. Have these pavers up here, this patio. Just bang this right out. The homeowner's over here watching me film.
You're filming?
Right. I got you out.
Okay.
We got mold on the side here. It's going to be coming off. Very easy.
You're taking them a video.
Yeah. Yep, you're going to be a rock star tonight.
Oh, wait a minute. Let me go change my clothes.
Got a little edge. I'll get an interview from you at the end if you want. Got a couple sheds back here.
Out far enough for you?
Get this green off of here. Oh yeah, everything looks great. We got this little walkway.
I just can't, I just couldn't move this.
You're fine. You did wonderful. Then we got this little thing here. No problem at all. Go ahead and knock it out. And we'll put a smile on a customer that's going to be appreciative. All right? All right, let's get after it. It's going to be a good day no matter what happens, right? Look at that, it was black. The rinse will be very satisfying. Got the whole house done from here. All the way around here, all the mold's gone. All the mold's gone off the door. Just gotta rinse this puppy off. Satisfying. Hey. All right, we're almost done rinsing this puppy off. Look how nice that came out over there. Beautiful. These pavers over here came out nice. The whole house looks good. All the way down the side. We're going to finish rinsing this off. And we have all this black stuff here on the ground. See that over there? Have a good look. All right, we're going to finish rinsing, then we're going to treat this. Then we're going to go around that way over there, finish the house off, and then this popsicle stand will be finished, and it'll be another job well done with a very, very appreciative customer. Get after it. All right, we're on the last leg. Applying SH to the last part of the house. Right before I started filming, I gave it a light coat, so the mold's already gone. Anyway, that's how easy this siding stuff is. And we're gonna come around the back here. This is gonna be the last part of the job right here. The back of the house real quick. And all we're going to have to do is rinse it off and head on out. Very simple, pretty easy. Go ahead and clean this off for her. Alright. Alright, that's going to be a wrap for this house wash, alright? All we got to do now is rinse it off. I see some mold over there. I'm going to try and shoot it from here if I can with my long range tip, just as a special favor. All right, I'm done, and it's just that easy. Get after it. All right, let's have a final review. Look at that driveway, huh? Pavers came out really nice. Gonna be a happy homeowner, huh? Look at that. It's a low spot over there where it's still wet, but these cleaned up really nice, and the siding cleaned up nice. The driveway was black, now it's bright. You got to wear sunglasses when you look at it now. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast, and that's going to be a wrap for job number 2. Hey, now what a nice customer that was. She paid me extra to do the extra pavers, which was great. And then she gave me a nice $50 cash tip too, and really appreciated the work. You know, not like the other customer I had this morning that took advantage of me because she already had damaged drywall, for crying out loud. But it all ends up on a good note, you know what I mean? So there are some kind people in the world, and there are people that aren't so kind. Anyway, I feel good about myself. I always do a good job. I'm always honest. And that always goes a long way. Sometimes. All right, I'm Don. And we got one more job. Let's get after it. Check these buzzards out, man. They're like savages.